Grocery Prices History app is the best app experience to manage your grocery expense. The app is available for iOS for free, and it will make your shopping in the budge. Probably, before getting any items to the shopping cart, you always have asked yourself if it is worth to add to the cart. We take a look in this demo how easy it is to add any item to the app. If you have purchased the item with the same barcode before, it will pop the history price information so you can make the best decision, even if you do not have the barcode registered in the app. The process to add the item to the app is not hard. As more you add the items to the app, more data will be in the app. The app is very fast to use since there is no API, and it only depends on your shopping history. And the best user experience to add any item very quick. If the actual price does not exist in the history list, you just need to type the price. You are also able to change the quantity in the selection bar or typing the actual quantity. As you can see, it is common practice to change the tags in the same establishment, and if the item is not urgent, you can make the decision to buy on the next time. It is a good thing to acknowledge how much you have spent so far to avoid any surprise in the checkout. It is not mandatory to add the barcode, and there are some cases that you have no advantage in doing this. You can also make a saved list to make easier to add a specific item, as you can see. During the checkout, you also can simulate what items can be removed from the cart in order to meet your budget. Suppose you only have a 100 bill. Take a look how easy it is to arrange the cart to meet your budget. After you completed your shopping in a specific establishment, you just need to type the establishment name, and as soon as you tap the button on the right of the text field, the simulated invoice will move to the app history. In order to check how much you spend during a specific period, you tap on the calculator item. You are able to check quickly how much you spend during a day, a week, a month, or even a specific year, as you can see. When tapping an item in a specific shopping in your history, a chart with the price variation will pop. Tapping in two different points, you will see the actual variation. When tapping the camera button, there is an OCR feature that recognizes grocery receipt. After getting its image, it is an alternative if you did not use the app in the grocery store. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and please do not forget to like the video.